Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to watch Cartoon Network on mobile. So first thing you have to do is open up your Play Store or Apple Store, and you click on the search bar below and you search for Cartoon Network. Once you click on that, you're going to see this. This is the first one. So that's one you're going to install. This one right here. So once you click on that, you install and you open up the game. So now let's open up the game. So they're going to ask you the language, and they start asking for permission to use your notification and the rest of that. Okay, so that's the game. You can see right here. Swipe to look at the games and tap to download the game. So you can see there's all the shows right here, my game, new categories, and it's all set up. Okay, you can see they haven't given instructions, so I haven't loved this part of it. So let's say Ben 10 for example. Okay, it's loading. You can see that side it's loading up. So once it loads up, that's actually how to watch Cartoon Network for free. Not for free on your mobile, right? If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and anybody subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. This is my next video. Bye.